Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Transform My Space with Mav Construction. Today we are indoors and we're going to talk about how different types of kitchen tops compare. We're going to look at them from an installation cost perspective, and most importantly, we're going to appreciate the wear and tear and the longevity of these kitchen tops. Enjoy. Let's talk about marble kitchen tops, not just the price, but the experience you're actually buying. So first things first, marble will cost you around 2,400 rands per meter, not just to supply it, but to install it as well. Before you buy marble, here's what you may need to be interested in. Marble is beautiful. It gives your kitchen that luxury hotel look, bright, clean, and elegant. If you want that timeless, classy vibe, marble does it better than almost anything. But it does come with challenges. Marble can stain. Things like lemon juice, wine, vinegar, or spices can leave marks if they sit on marble for too long. So just wipe it quickly, nothing hectic. It is important that you try and avoid leaving these substances exposed to marble overnight. They then become permanent. Marble can scratch. It is not as hard as granite, so you don't want to cut anything directly on marble. Use a chopping board instead. Marble also needs a little bit of maintenance, so every year you should seal it, and that helps protect it from stains and keeps it looking fresh. Again, on the bright side, marble is able to handle heat very well, which means you can put a very hot pot on top of it without any worry. It is super stylish. Your kitchen instantly looks premium. Marble will last for years if you look after it. So yeah, the price is 2,000 rand per meter, but you're paying for beauty, luxury, and a statement piece in your kitchen. Just treat it with a bit of care and it will look amazing for a very long time. Next is granite, a solid option if you want something beautiful, durable, and more affordable. Granite will set you back around about 1,000 rand per meter, not just supplied but also installed. This is a big saving compared to marble. But what are you actually getting? Granite is very strong. It's harder than marble, which means it's much more scratch resistant. But again, I wouldn't suggest that you chop your veggies directly onto it. It does definitely handle everyday use much better than marble. When it comes to stains, granite performs well too. It doesn't absorb liquid easily, especially when it's sealed. Spills like cooking oil, juice, wine are less likely to leave permanent marks on granite. You just have to wipe it and you're good. In terms of heat resistance, granite is excellent. You can place your hot pot or pans on it without stressing. It is one of the reasons why people love it for your more busy kitchens. Maintenance is also pretty simple. Just a good seal once a year will keep granite looking very, very good. Looks wise, granite has a natural, earthy, unique pattern. Every slab is slightly different, so your kitchen gets its own personality. If you want a kitchen top that is strong, stylish, lighter on maintenance, and way cheaper, granite is the option. Granite is a great choice, affordable and durable without losing that premium feel. Next is quartz, one of the most popular choices right now because it looks modern, it is strong, and it's super low maintenance. Quartz will set you back around 1,500 rand per meter, not just to supply it, but to have it installed as well. Here's what you get. Quartz is engineered stone, which means it's made from crushed stone and resin. Because of this, it is very strong and has a clean, consistent finish. When it comes to staining, quartz is excellent and will not stain easily. It is non-porous, which means stuff like wine, oil, juice, or spices will not easily soak into it. Quartz is perfect for your basic kitchens. There is also scratch resistance, more than marble and on par with granite, so it's very durable for everyday cooking. Maintenance is simple. There is no need for sealing when it comes to this option. Just wipe it and you're done. Heat is one of the only challenges with it, so do look out for this. Do not put a hot pot directly onto the surface. Now let's talk about some typical colors. It does come in pure white, ice white, gray, marble look-like veins, beige or cream. And for just 1,500 Rand per meter, Quartz gives you strength, modern style, low maintenance, and a wide range of very trending colors. A great all-round option for any kitchen. Let's talk about wooden kitchen tops. If you're trying to upgrade your kitchen without spending a lot, wood is honestly one of the most economically viable options. It does give your kitchen that warm, natural, homely feel at a very low cost. At the moment, expect to pay no more than 700 Rand per meter, not just supplied, but also installed. Now that is one of the cheapest ways to completely transform your kitchen. Wood instantly makes your kitchen feel welcoming. It is easy to cut, shape, and fit, and which is why the installation costs are a lot lower. Wood also gives you unmatched flexibility. You can sand and change the color every 2 years for a fresh look, or you can completely replace the entire top every 2 years or so, and even that still's cheaper than your stone options. Wood is perfect for applications in the context of rentals, renovations, budget-based upgrades, or people who enjoy switching up their decor often. A couple of drawbacks is that wooden kitchen tops will stain, so you need to wipe them quickly. It is also not very resistant to scratches, so hence the need to have them sanded every so often. Wood does absorb water, it is not moisture resistant, and so you'll find that it starts to swell up in areas that have been exposed to water. So some efforts need to be made to seal it from water. The other thing is that it is not very great when it comes to heat resistance. It will burn if you place a hot pot on it. Wood is available in a variety of colors, including pine, oak, beech, mahogany, walnut, and so forth. Wooden kitchen tops are the most affordable and flexible options. At around 700 Rand per meter supplied and installed, you can recolor, refinish, or even completely replace your kitchen every 2 years or so. All of this while keeping your kitchen looking fresh without breaking the bank. What a way to transform your space. So peeps, there you have it. We've compared all the common kitchen tops used around the country. Let us know in the comments which one you prefer. Again, do visit our Instagram page if you'd like to see more kitchen top designs. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe, share the video, like, and again, do comment. Cheers.